Hi, hello again. So, in this part, we will divide the, we will create a division in the upper, in the frame of the options. So we have the two, and again, it will be creating two more frames. Okay. Uh, One more thing I want to say. I know I'm doing this too much slow, maybe, but you have to see. I don't know who is at here at that side, and people are different, and people work in different speeds, right? So I prefer to do this in a slow pace, and if you need it to be more speedy, you can go to the options of the video and speed up. um, and that's it. I want to cover everyone, and that's why I'm doing this too much slow. So let's continue. We want to divide the top frame into two, right? Again, I will just copy and go here and paste. We create a new frame that is called frame options title size. Okay, is for the title size option. What is the master? The master in this case is the frame options. Okay, is the frame that is blue, the top frame. We want to divide these evenly, so I divide into two. Okay, with two. uh, the height is the height of the frame options. Okay, and I will provide the background color of pink, and at the end we pack and we provide the side to be left, just for you to see how after these codes what we can see. And what we can see is this: we have this pink frame, right? Since at this moment is the only frame at this moment, uh, this frame will appear at the center. Okay, next let me just copy and paste again the second frame. The second frame will be for the title color. Okay, to choose the color of the title. um, the master again is the top frame, the frame options. We divide the entire width of the window into two because it's just two frames, and we provide the height of the frame options, and we provide the color, the background color, yellow. Okay, and finally we pack. We say we want the side to be left. Why? Because we want the two frames to be side by side. Okay, so I just save. Let's run this again and see what we get. And we get this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so in the next part, actually I don't know what we will do in the next part. Let me see. Yeah, because I have this, I plan the lectures in this way. um, we go to the frame options title size, this one. Okay, and we will add a label to that, and we will add the radio buttons also. So see you in the next part. Okay.